Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles deliver exceptional performance for players prioritizing spin, control, and consistency. Their carbon fiber surface is engineered to maximize spin potential, offering a strategic advantage in shot placement. Equipped with a RevCore Power polymer core, these paddles achieve a balanced mix of power and precision, catering to diverse playing styles. The Halo Pro paddle emphasizes power and speed, making it ideal for aggressive players seeking dominance with fast-paced shots. In contrast, the Halo Control version focuses on finesse and accuracy, suited for players who value precise placement and defensive tactics. This dual option ensures there's a paddle for various skill levels and strategies. Both models feature lightweight, ergonomic designs for easy handling and prolonged play without fatigue. The carbon fiber face enhances durability while delivering consistent performance, ensuring reliable gameplay during intense matches. Optimized for spin generation, these paddles excel at adding curve and unpredictability to shots. They also provide excellent feedback, aiding players in refining their touch and ball control. In summary, the SLK Halo paddles combine advanced materials and thoughtful design to meet the needs of competitive and recreational players alike. Whether you're an experienced player aiming for power and spin or a beginner seeking control and consistency, these paddles provide premium performance to elevate your game. Number 2. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle meets official standards, making it suitable for recreational and competitive play. The durable fiberglass surface strikes a balance between power and control, catering to players of all skill levels. Its robust construction ensures consistent performance, whether during casual games or tournaments. The paddle features a lightweight core, enhancing maneuverability and minimizing strain during extended matches. Its fiberglass surface is designed for accurate, responsive shots, enabling players to maintain control while delivering sufficient power for offensive plays. A protective cover is included to shield the paddle from scratches and wear, extending its lifespan and making transportation easy. This versatile paddle performs well on both indoor and outdoor courts, accommodating various playing environments. Designed for men and women, the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, improving control and reducing hand fatigue during intense gameplay. Its lightweight yet durable build makes it suitable for players of all ages and experience levels. In conclusion, this fiberglass pickleball paddle offers a blend of quality, durability, and performance at an accessible price. Whether you're new to pickleball or a seasoned player, its thoughtful design and USAPA approval make it a versatile and reliable option to enhance your game. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive package ideal for players seeking quality and convenience. It includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and a carrying bag, catering to beginners and experienced players alike. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, providing a lightweight and durable surface that excels in control and precision. With a polymer rev core, these paddles deliver a balanced blend of power and finesse, accommodating various playing styles. Crafted in the USA, the paddles reflect Selkirk's commitment to quality and innovation. Their ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, minimizing fatigue during extended play. Suitable for recreational and competitive matches, they offer a professional-grade feel at an accessible price. The 3 included balls are durable and optimized for performance on indoor and outdoor courts. Combined with the paddles, they enhance gameplay. The spacious, lightweight carrying bag keeps gear organized and easy to transport. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle delivers high-quality equipment and convenience for players of all skill levels. Featuring durable graphite paddles, performance-enhancing balls, and a functional carrying bag, it offers exceptional value to elevate your pickleball experience. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier choice for players who demand a balance of power, control, and comfort. Its graphite carbon fiber face ensures lightweight durability while enhancing shot precision and responsiveness, making it suitable for diverse playing styles. The cushion comfort grip provides a secure and ergonomic hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended play. Its medium-weight design enhances maneuverability, accommodating a variety of playing preferences. Renowned for its consistent performance, the Z5 paddle features a wide-body shape with a large sweet spot for giving off-center hits and maintaining accuracy during intense matches. The graphite surface promotes excellent ball control, appealing to strategic players. Ideal for both beginners and advanced players, the Mod Z5 is well suited for recreational and competitive settings. Combining professional-grade materials with user-friendly features, it ensures reliable performance across skill levels. In conclusion, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle offers durability, precision, and comfort. Its graphite surface, ergonomic grip, and wide-body design make it a standout choice for enhancing your pickleball game, whether you're mastering fundamentals or competing at higher levels. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle blends durability, performance, and comfort, making it a versatile choice for players of all skill levels. Its reinforced fiberglass surface delivers a responsive feel and precise control, supporting strategic shot placement and versatile gameplay. The honeycomb polypropylene core provides lightweight durability, absorbing vibrations for smoother play while ensuring consistent power for both offensive and defensive shots. With an ergonomic grip, the paddle offers a secure, comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue and improving maneuverability. This makes it suitable for recreational and competitive matches. Built with quality materials, the Joola Essentials paddle performs well on indoor and outdoor courts. Its lightweight design and durable construction make it an excellent value for players seeking reliable equipment at an affordable price. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle combines reinforced fiberglass, a honeycomb core, and ergonomic comfort to enhance your game. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, it offers dependable performance and versatility to suit various playing styles.